Okay, we are going to assemble this bank sofa from Living Spaces. As you can see, it comes delivered in a box with plastic. There's the matching sofa that we put together in another video. And the items you're going to need are a box cutter, an extension, a drill bit, and the power drill. All right, step one, get the plastic off. All right, and step two is to locate the bag of screws that's going to be under one of these seat cushions. You're going to cut it out or untie it if it's easy to do that. And that's where you'll find the 4 legs and the bag of screws that you'll need.
Right there.
All right, so you put it on the corner like so. Put 1 screw in each of those holes and screw it in tight, righty-tighty.
Make sure you get a position right.
Oh yes, get it positioned too.
There we go.
And then we've put the extension into the drill and the drill bit into the extension. There you go, there's one. We're going to put in the second one, then we're going to flip the couch, do the other 2 sides. All right, here's the second one going in. All right, now we are going to flip the couch over to do leg number 3 and 4. Okay, we have flipped the couch, and we're going to do leg number 3. And leg number 4.
All right.
And leg number 4. All right, once you got all 4 legs in tight, we are going to position the couch and put the cushions on. All right, once you've put it into position, you are all set. Subscribe to my channel on the link below. And if you happen to get the Weston coffee table set that we'll be putting in place, and want to watch the video how to install, feel free to search for it on my channel.